Angelica26 here. For today's video is Pixlr Remove Background application. Pixlr is an online photo editor. Let's get started. This website is pixlr.com. So I will show you how to remove a photo background using their application remove.bj. Next, you will click this web apps, then you will select remove.bj. Remove background is 100% automatic BG removal free. To add an image, you can click this plus or you can click this open image. Open image. Select the file and click open. So the machine are doing their thing. Please wait. This is now the photo. The background has been removed. If you are satisfied with the result, you can click this download to download the file. So if you are not satisfied, you can click this fine tune to edit the result. So you have an option, you can edit the result or you can download the file. So let's try to download the file. Save file and then okay. So this is the file. So I will open the file. This is the file now after removing the background, the one that I download. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please comment below or hit the notification bell for more videos.